January continues. Let's do today's daily target on CSSBattle.dev, which is this guy here. Love it. How do we do this shape? I find myself want to, as the trend continues, let's start with a conic gradient. Conic gradient. Hey, I feel like that's new. I think that it just autocomplete 25% and then transparent. And I'm going to put the background color of this blue. All right, so the first thing I need is at 30 pixels, 50 pixels, something like that. Maybe it's 60, maybe it's 70, and then and let's flip this. We're going to flip it. All right, this is a thing I often do. 75%, period, 0, delete the comma, delete the 0, and then down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. That's at 0, 0 background position. That width is 200. It's probably 330 pixels. Great. And then the height is probably 200 pixels. Oh, and don't put a slash between the height, or the width and height. There we go. So boom. Does that get me what I want? No, not really. It's partial. It's partial. So then the next thing I need, the asymmetry, not my favorite thing. So what do I need next? I need the zigzag. The only way to do it is to do it, so let's do it. The next thing is, let's do a linear gradient. Let's do the linear part. Or can we, oh, now hold on. If we do that to the transparent to 75%, actually that's not what I want. What I want is the blue to 25%, comma, and then 0, 75% transparent. And then we see that's the part that I've got left over. And then the next thing I want is what? Can I use the same thing again? Maybe not, or maybe I can actually. If I put this in if I put this in a variable, clump, and then var g, and var g, not gvar. Put that and don't. Another var g. And that one, what I want is 0, 20 pixels. Oh, that kind of works. How about 25? So then I reuse that, and I've got now, and the last thing I want is another conic gradient, which is, let's do my false color technique: red, yellow, blue, green. And what I want is red, yellow, green, not green. That is not a valid color. So let's say 25%, 0, 50%, 0, 75%, and then how about white? Okay, and then white 0. Okay, So what's missing? I need to move that center. So I'm going to move that at 270 pixels, comma, and then maybe it's further over to, it's 300, isn't it? 320, 30. Great. And then down 100, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5. Okay. Now that I've got that, I've got the pieces that I need. And so white becomes this color. Red becomes this color. Yellow becomes this color. And the final color is the blue. And we submit. Not very efficient at this point. I mean, it's not very efficient anyway, but that's okay. All right, so to do this, I'm going to do a what? From minus 90 degrees. Yes. Or no. From, what are we going to do from? So I've got white, white, blue, white. And so what I want to do is go back. So from minus 90 degrees. And then this becomes 75. And then it becomes that. Delete that and delete that. And resubmit, make sure it's still good. Kind of not very fast. Backend not happy. Let's resubmit. Yes, I can blame my delays on the backend. No, I cannot. So minify unit replace. And so that's 3 gradients, 2 conic gradients used twice, and then a third. Oh, wait, wrong. Look at that. Bad karma. So that was very poor score because my minifier did not do the right thing with 330 pixels and 50 VW. The back end is a little bit sluggish today. We're still waiting on that response, but there it is. That's a final answer. All right, so 7.5 minutes, not too bad. A lot of ways to do this guy. Borders, boxes, shadows, so many choices that you could use. So many interesting choices that you could do. You could do a narrow object. You could do one tall object with border inline on either side, and then move those shadows around. Many choices, so many ways to do it. It makes my head spin a little bit. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're taking care of yourself in a stressful time that we are all having. But hey, keep writing CSS. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Go make a web page. Bye.